I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer as my eyeshadow base. I am wearing this under my eyes. It is very, very bright, but I am in awe with this concealer. It really reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I didn't notice that until a couple days ago, and I was just like complaining that I should have just gotten the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. But yo, I bought this one $6. How? Oh! Once that concealer is on my lids, I'm just going into the NYX Ultimate Brights Shadow Palette. This looks like this. I'm really excited to use this again. I always end up going to the James Charles palette and then I forget. Hello, this was my OG once upon a time. So first I'm going to be taking this, I don't know if I should go in with the, I feel like the lighter purple. So I'm gonna take this lighter purple right here. It's like more of a pinky purple shade. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. And I'm just going to apply that onto my crease. Now, once that shadow is on my crease, I'm going to go into this darker purple right here. And I'm just going to use this shadow brush by Real Techniques. It's very small so that it can get like really in there, just to deepen it up and give it some depth. Am I saying that right? Depth. It sounds the same, whatever. It's a really, really pretty purple. I like that this palette, it's so easy to blend colors together. And there's like really no fall in this palette. There's really no fallout. I love that. Any other palette, I would have had all this powder all over under my eyes. But yes, honey. So just light-handed, making sure that it just kind of diffuses out. I'm just going to use the e.l.f. concealer again to cut my crease. I'm gonna just apply this on the back of my hand like so, because I feel like it's just so much easier over just putting it like that. And then I'm just gonna do like a half-cut crease to apply my next shadow. Just use a little flat brush, and you guys have seen this before, so I'm just going to skim through this. Hard to put liner, but now I'm going to add that pink on top of that white liner just to make it pop in my waterline, or attempt to make it pop. Top, I'm just using NYX lingerie in cashmere silk. Is this cashmere silk? Yes, in cashmere silk, all over my lips. Set my face with my favorite setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Ooh. To highlight, I'm just using the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I just got this, so bear with it. But I am really, really loving this stuff at the moment. And it also comes with a little brush. I'm going to just test this out just because I don't use a fan brush like that anymore. Oh, honey. Yo, where have I been? You guys, I used to use Physician Formula like bronzers and stuff, but I really honestly feel like they really upped their products. Because before I used to be like, I'm never going to use that again. But honestly, it's so bomb. Shining, shining, yeah. All of this winning. This is the completed look. I hope you guys were feeling it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Peace. Once that concealer is on my eye, seriously, just say, once that concealer is on the lid. Oh. And this eye is getting watery. Oh, Lord, please. I can never be great.